Have you ever seen a dragon boat drift? Have you every year during Dragon Boat Festival, villages in Foshan hold several unique and passionate dragon boat races. As a Guilol, foreign guy, I wanted to see the dragon boats drifting for myself.
欢迎来到中国的人山人海。
Before the race begins, a boat sails by with a long and lion dance performance.
好嗨啊，他们！
After this simple yet charming opening ceremony, the dragon's head and tail are attached to the boat. Firecrackers are set off for good luck moments before the race begins. After a long wait, the race is finally about to start. The 40-plus strong men on the dragon boat have a clear division of labour, namely the paddler who provides the power, the bow hand who controls the direction, and the drummer who controls the speed. The competitors in Diejiao all follow the same philosophy, 领河波浪，不可爬慢, which translates as it's better to crash the boat than to row slowly. Of course, the spectators also think the same way, and they definitely prefer to watch Bolshun comparing who can row faster. At the end of the competition, more than a dozen teams gather together to wait for the final result. The winning team will be congratulated with splashing water. In the following 2 days, there is a women's competition and also a junior competition. Here, I witnessed the blood, sweat, struggle and companionship of racers. I shared the enthusiasm of villagers supporting their favourite teams. I saw traditional totems and felt the strong cultural and historical background. This is the same kind of atmosphere that many traditional Chinese festivals share. It may also be why the people here love dragon boats so much. So to everyone, everywhere,
端午节快乐！